we do some lately changes on the hydro. So we changed the half-inch pipe lettuce right up the line. Lettuce. Jamaican farmers hut.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. What's up, my viewers? Welcome back to the channel. All right, yes, Jamaican farmers hut. If you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Slick of all slick, all right? Professionally. Seen? Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel. Jamaican farmers hut. Yes, my viewers. This time around, it's all about hydroponics. All right? Yeah, lately plant out some lettuce. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what's going on. Yeah, on the hydroponic stand. As you can see behind me here. Yeah, it's all plant out. All right, yeah, just stick around, there's a lot more to come. All right, yeah, my viewers, as you can see, we do some lately changes on the hydroponic system. All right, as you can see, remember the last time we did have pipe come from here, come all the way right down where all the microtubes was leading from, go to the stand. We changed that. All right, so we changed the half-inch pipe to 3/4. Yes, just to get some more pressure, and we take all the microtubes from up top here, as you can see over the next side. Yeah, we take all the microtube from up top here, go all the way down to the last pipe on the stand. All right. So yes, my viewers, so as you can listen and you can see, yeah, the water is continue running. All right, yeah. So lately plant, this is day one. Yeah, lettuce on the hydroponic stand. Yeah, today's the first day, as you can see. So I'm just gonna walk you through and show you what's going on the stand here. Lettuce lately plant. Yeah, so you know from your mixture is right, and all of the plants roots are touching the water, it is good to go. Okay, so as you can see, lettuce about to get ready. So by 30 to 35 days, yes, lettuce is ready, yeah, for harvesting. All right, yes, my viewers, Jamaican farmers hut, it's all about the hydroponic stand. It is 100 feet long and 5 feet wide, as you can see, and it hold 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It holds 16 lines. All right, so it's almost 2,000 hole inside of the pipe. So when we plant out about 2,000 suckers. All right, so yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. Yeah, look at this one here, as you can see, beautiful. All right, it's all about water, nutrients and fertilizer in the water. All right, yeah. So right about now, going to the drum where the pump is to check to see, make sure everything is running right. As you can see here, this tells you that the system is going very well. All right, yes, All right. Inside the drum here. Yeah. That is the return water. That is the return water. All right, from the system. Yeah. So the pump is pumping back the water through this pipe here. Go right back up to the micro tube. Send them back out into the pipes. All right. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, lettuce right up the line. Lettuce. Yeah. Lettuce. So yes, my viewers, it's all about farming. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Stick around because I have a lot more to let you guys see. And it's all about farming. It's all about a farming revolution. Alright? Alright, as you can see here, one is out. Most of the time the breeze blow very hard and it blow them out. Alright? So I have to just find back a space for this one. Don't know where it blow from, but I have to find a space. So okay, my viewers, hang on. There's a lot more to show you, alright? This is the next side. This is the next side of the system. Alright? Here, as you can see, water is running. Yeah. The micro tubes connect from up here. Yeah, go right down to the bottom. Alright. And as you can see, we have a lock off here on this hen. Yeah. The stop piece here where all the micro tubes connect to. Yeah, we have a lock off valve here. So if the pipe is here lock, if the system is here lock, yeah, we can turn it on and let it out. And if it clog with grass or so forth, we just open it and let all those things go out. You know, out of the pipe. Yeah. Clear the way of the pipe, alright? So yeah, we kind of set it different from the last time. All those pipe, we take them off. Alright? Yeah, I'll put it in this farm. This farm is much better. As you can listen carefully, you hear the water is running. Yeah, my viewers. Right, that's right there, my viewers. It's all about lettuce. And as you can see, just planted, alright? Alright, this is the mixture. Alright? This is the mixture. So if we need more nutrients, we come here. And if we need some fertilizer, we come here. It's all mixed out. Alright? Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so we have these tanks here for the pepper, the greenhouse. Also need some fertilizer same way, but these are the drum for the hydroponic system. Alright.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant sweet pepper, we a plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up gone abroad. We a move from bud to bud. Banana start to ripe, a time we get good. Jamaican farmers hut.
Yeah, my viewers, it's all about hydroponic. You know what I mean? So I'm right here beside the stand. Just plant out some lettuce. Yeah, so from 30 to 35 days, lettuce is going to ready. Alright? So yeah, my viewers, this is the type of farming. You know, you can come anyhow you feel like, you know. There's no whole of hard work. Once you have your mixture right and your water is good, everything is good to go. Alright? My viewers, so yes, Jamaican Farmer Zot. If you want to watch the next video about hydroponic, you can watch one here. Or you can watch this one over here. Alright? So yes, my viewers, my name is Ever Slick. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. I'm out of the place.